Welcome to the future of Indian military power. Today, we explore 10 insane Indian future weapons expected to be inducted in the late 2020s and early 2030s. From hypersonic missiles and fighter jet programs, to AI-driven drones, advanced air defense systems, to space and cyber tech, and next-gen battlefield tech, these weapons will transform modern warfare. Developed by DRDO and India's defense industry, they promise unmatched speed, precision, and power. Stay tuned as we uncover the systems shaping India's future battlefield. And if you enjoy it, like the video, share, and don't forget to subscribe if you are new to the channel. Thanks. Okay, let's begin the video. At number 10, AK-203 Assault Rifle.
India's AK-203 assault rifle originates from an India-Russia collaboration, under India-Russia Rifles Private Limited, based on the Kalashnikov AK-200 series. The program is in the serial production and induction stage, with manufacturing at Khora, Uttar Pradesh. Production began around 2023, and induction started in the mid-2020s to replace older INSAS rifles. The AK-203 fires 7.62 x 39mm ammunition, using modern polymers, Picatinny rails, improved muzzle brake, and enhanced ergonomics. It has an effective range of approximately 300 to 400 meters, and a rate of fire approximately 600 revolutions per minute. Its high reliability, ruggedness, better lethality, ease of maintenance, and growing indigenous content, making it a dependable frontline infantry weapon in the future. India's space and cyber warfare technologies originate from strategic initiatives led by ISRO, DRDO, Defense Space Agency, and Defense Cyber Agency to secure national interests across emerging domains. These capabilities are in the advanced development and active operational stage, with continuous upgrades rather than fixed production timelines. Initial induction began in the late 2010s, expanding steadily through the 2020s. Core technologies include military satellites, secure SATCOM, space situational awareness, ASAT capability, cyber offense and defense tools, AI-driven analytics, and quantum-resistant encryption. Key advantages include strategic deterrence, resilient command and control, real-time intelligence, protection of critical infrastructure, and dominance in multi-domain warfare, strengthening India's future combat readiness. India's 3D Aslesha radar is an indigenous naval air and surface surveillance radar, developed by DRDO to enhance situational awareness for the Indian Navy and coastal forces. Originating from India's drive for self-reliant sensor technology, it is in the advanced development and operational deployment stage. Production began in the early 2020s, with induction underway and continuing through the mid-2020s. Aslesha uses solid-state AESA technology, digital beamforming, and 3D target tracking. It can detect targets at 200+ km range with rapid update rates. It has high accuracy, multi-target tracking, all-weather performance, low maintenance, and seamless integration with combat management systems, strengthening India's naval surveillance and air defense network in the future warfare. India's Akash Prime is an advanced surface-to-air missile system, developed by DRDO as an upgraded variant of the Akash missile, aimed at enhancing India's air defense network. The system is in the advanced production stage, with induction already underway since 2022-2023. Expected full-scale production will continue through the 2020s. Akash Prime features active radar seeker, digital control systems, network-centric integration, and improved ECCM capabilities. It achieves speeds of Mach 2.5 to 3, a range of 30 to 40 kilometers, and carries a 60 to 70 kilograms conventional warhead. It has 360 degrees coverage, high accuracy, rapid reaction, low maintenance, and indigenous production, strengthening India's layered air defense capabilities in the future. India's Project 17A frigates originate from the Shivalik class, Project 17, program, developed to strengthen the Indian Navy's stealth, multi-role, and network-centric warfare capabilities. Designed by MDL and GRSE, the project is in the advanced production stage, with multiple ships under construction. Full-scale production is expected through 2025 to 2030, with induction beginning in the late 2020s or early 2030s. P-17A frigates feature stealth hull design, advanced sensors, BrahMos missile integration, CIWS, sonar, and helicopter facilities. They achieve speeds over 30 knots, with a range of 4,000 to 4,500 nautical miles. It will have high survivability, multi-role strike capability, anti-submarine warfare efficiency, and modern warfighting technology, enhancing India's blue water naval strength in the upcoming days. India's Project 75I is an ambitious conventional submarine program aimed at strengthening the Indian Navy's undersea warfare and strategic deterrence. Originating as a follow-on to Project 75, Scorpene class, it is managed by the Ministry of Defense and Indian Navy. The project is in the advanced design and procurement stage, with strategic partner selection underway. Production is expected around 2028 to 2029, and induction likely in the early to mid-2030s. Submarines will feature air-independent propulsion, AIP, advanced sonar, stealth design, long-endurance capability, and land attack missile integration. P-75I includes enhanced underwater endurance, survivability, strategic strike capability, and strengthened maritime deterrence, making them a key future asset for India's blue water navy.
India's Tejas MK2 is a next-generation medium-weight fighter aircraft, developed under the LCA program by ADA, DRDO, and HAL to meet Indian Air Force requirements. The aircraft is in the advanced development and prototype stage, with the first flight expected in the mid-2020s. Production is planned around 2028-29, and induction is targeted for the early 2030s. Tejas MK2 will feature a GEF 414 engine, AESA radar, advanced EU suite, sensor fusion, and multi-role avionics. Expected performance includes Mach 1.8 plus speed, combat range over 1,500 kilometers, and a payload of approximately 6.5 tons. Advantages include greater range, payload, survivability, and true multi-role capability, bridging Tejas Mk1A and AMCA in India's future air combat fleet.
Hello guys. If you are liking videos so far, like, share, and also don't forget to hit that subscription button. Thanks. Appreciate that. It means a lot. Okay, let's continue. And at number 3. BrahMos 2 Hypersonic Missile. India's BrahMos 2, also known as BrahMos K, is a next-generation hypersonic cruise missile, developed under the India-Russia BrahMos Aerospace Partnership, building on DRDO's hypersonic research. The program is in the advanced technology development stage, closely linked with HSTDV scramjet trials. Production is expected in the early 2030s, with induction likely in the mid-2030s. BrahMos 2 will use scramjet propulsion, advanced thermal protection, stealth shaping, and precision guidance. It is expected to reach Mach 7 to 8 speeds, with a range of over 1,000 kilometers, and a 200 to 300 kilograms conventional or nuclear payload. Key advantages include extreme speed, minimal interception window, high survivability, and penetration of advanced air defense systems, making it a future game-changer for Indian military.
India's Agni Prime, also known as Agni P, is a next-generation medium-range ballistic missile, developed by DRDO to modernize the Agni missile family. Designed as a lighter and more agile system, it is currently in the advanced testing and pre-induction stage, following multiple successful trials. Production is expected around 2026-2027, with induction likely by 2027-2028. Agni Prime uses solid fuel propulsion, canisterized launch, composite motor casing, and advanced guidance systems. It can reach speeds above Mach 15, has a range of 1,000 to 2,000 kilometers, and carries a single nuclear warhead of about 1,000 kg. Agni Prime includes rapid deployment, high survivability, improved accuracy, and strong deterrence capability, making Agni Prime one of the most important weapons in the Indian future arsenals.
And now finally at number 1. It's K5 SLBM. India's K5 SLBM is a future submarine-launched ballistic missile, developed under DRDO's K series, conceived to strengthen India's sea-based nuclear deterrent beyond the K4. The program is in the early to mid-development stage, with technologies being matured for next-generation SSBNs. Production is expected in the early 2030s, and induction likely in the mid to late 2030s. The K5 is expected to use solid fuel propulsion, cold launch, advanced guidance, and possible MIRV capability. Estimated performance includes speeds above Mach 20, a range of approximately 5,000 to 6,000 kilometers, and a nuclear payload up to approximately 2 to 3 tons. Its secure second strike capability, extended reach, high survivability, and credible strategic deterrence, making K5 SLBM India's key future asset for the nuclear deterrent. There you have it. 10 insane Indian key future weapons that could be inducted within early 2030s. There are still more future weapons that we left today, and if you want to know, let me know in the comment. Okay. Hope you all liked the video. If you did, like, share, and also subscribe to the channel. See you all again in the next video. Until then, you can also go to our channel and check our other videos. Thanks. Bye bye.